Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss how to create a reconciliation account for vendor.
Okay, the transaction code FS00.
Reconciliation account. So what is the use of this account? Suppose you in the company there are multiple vendors, so it is very difficult to see the total payable amount by the company to the vendor. So reconciliation account is used to know the total amount to the vendors payable by the company. Okay, this is the use of vendor reconciliation. Okay, so go back to the SAP system and configure this. First, we will go to the transaction OBD4 to check GL account group. OBD4, GL account group, our company is this. And the reconciliation account for the vendor is our current liability. It will fall under this from 2000 to 9999. So we will be using 2000 to create our GL for the reconciliation. Okay, so go to the FS00 to create a reconciliation account. FS00, create a new one. UGL account as 2000. GL account type balance sheet. This is our liability. This is a vendor reconciliation account short text. Okay, vendor reconciliation account. In the control data section, reconciliation account type would be vendor. I'll give short key as vendor number. We will discuss the use of this short key in next videos. Then field status group G067, reconciliation account. Save it. Done. And this reconciliation account we have to link with the our vendor. Okay, so here is a screenshot. Here you have to assign your GL account, reconciliation GL account to the business partner, to the vendor account. Okay, hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.